Hello there. Here I am in my 2003 Dodge Grand Caravan. And let me tell you just what happened. About a week or so ago, I turned the air conditioner on. And I turned it up to high. And I got this like massive whooshing sound somewhere in this area, okay? And I thought maybe one of the dampers went bad or something. So I, flipped it between, just here and there and just on there, and it was all the same. I mean, the air started coming out properly from whatever setting I had. It was just like, sounded like a blockage. So what I did yesterday, to get the filter out, what you got to do is take these brackets here, clips, you slide it to the left, and this is going to just drop on down. Filter's here, you're going to grab it with your fingers and pull it out. I'm taking out the, I took it out actually, I started to take it out, and this is the, yikes. This is the air filter in here, cabin air filter. And it was completely, well, you see all these little things that were down there, right? A lot of that. And so when I took a look, and what I normally do is, on the side of these things, when I put them in, I write down what I did. So look at this. I replaced this June 13th, 2018 at 147,000 miles, basically. And so anyways, and I don't know, maybe this thing is clogged up. So what do I have here? I got a Fram 2-air filter at Walmart. It was like $19.95 or something. And it's a CV, 9597A. Let me open this thing up. And ta-da! Looks like this. Oh, it's not quite the same. It's the same size though. Yepsy doozy. Same size and the same width. Looks like it'll fit. So let me open this up. Yeah. So how cool is this? Anyways, I just wrote down on this new one. Today is August 11th, 2022, and I've got 166,777 miles on the odometer. And airflow goes that way. All right, so here's the slot. I'm just gonna reach up in here. I don't feel any more leaves or anything. Whoa, wait, whoa. Yeah, there are some more leaves in there. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, so the air goes this way. This is the fan. Comes in from up here, it goes in that way. So, airflow is that way. All right, so, all right. Airflow goes that way. Oh, there we go. It's in. So let me give you a tip here. If this falls apart, and it's going to come off on you, when you put it back together, be sure that you take this and slide it, and the slot goes in the over this little raised up part right there. This is going to go here. It's like the bent side because it just is bent. Matches up. So you're going to push this back in, and then you're going to slide to the right. All right, I'm inside the car. Let's turn the AC on. There it goes. And let's check and see if it makes any noise. Nope, it sounds normal. So I got it up full blast. And it sounds normal. Let's go through all of the things. That's ooh, it's blowing out the bottom. Yeah, okay, so anyways, it is not making any sounds. Put Okay, proof is in the pudding. Apparently, this old scungy, oh my gosh, I didn't realize. Look how clogged that thing is. It is way clogged up. That was causing the airflow problem, the noise, the air blockage that it sounded like, and it was just this, just that filter right there. So, just goes to show you. 4 years and, you know, like 20,000 miles, it'll get clogged up. Hey, listen, hope you guys have a great day, and thank you very much for watching.